Hello dear students, this video is about how to give exam on form presenter. First of all, you should close all the tabs on your mobile phone. Please ensure that you enable cookies in your phone browser. Also, certain old phone or browser do not support form presenter as it uses advanced controls. In that case, please try from another phone. The link for the exam will be provided in particular WhatsApp group. Go to the WhatsApp group, click on the link. This form requires access to your camera to capture photo. So allow access to camera as well as microphone also. Capture the photo and then click on proceed. The mock test is already open. It has already started. So click on start. The tab switching activities will be tracked and even the full screen exit will also be tracked. So make ensure that you don't do such activities. Now on the top you can see the time left over is 13 minutes and the required time for this exam is 15 minutes. Now fill the necessary information, your full name, and your exam seat number. Then click on next and then you can correct the options. On the top you'll be able to see how much of the time has been left. So in some papers there will be two sections, section 1 and section 2. So you can go through both the sections. Click on next whenever it is saying. Now do not change the value in the field of submission tracking ID. Any changes in these will consider you as absentee. You should always click on submit the button before timeout, else your response will not be recorded and mostly it will display that better luck next time. Now since the time left is 10 minutes 51 seconds, before 10 minutes the alert will be there, alert ring will be there. So you can click on submit before 5 to 7 minutes. Since it does not auto submit but it will warn you before timeout. This form does not auto submits, so you have to submit button before time. So let's say if the time left is 10 minutes, we can do it. Now as soon as the time left, you can see here the alarm. Form is closing soon, submit before timeout. So you can submit the form. Now here it will show you that your response has been recorded. So when it shows that your response has been recorded, it means that you have successfully completed your test. If not, if you don't submit it before time, then it will display better luck next time. So thank you for patiently listening my video.